something's wrong.
Our hero is out of energy.
Dehydration.
Help arrives with refreshing water.
Meat. I want to eat meat.
I have keto diet for you.
Wow.
But I am pescatarian.
We got you covered.
I only eat veggies.
Me too.
Me too.
Diet.
We got all of you covered.
Chef Chili, where culinary adventures await. Miss out, and it's microwave meals forever.
Sarah. After an exhausting day of work, she rushes to the nearest grocery store to pick up ingredients for dinner.
But her heart sinks as she sees the darkened windows and closed doors of every shop in sight.
But wait, who is this mysterious figure watching from the shadows?
Just when it seems like all hope is lost. Stay tuned to see what unfolds next.
Remember Sarah? We last saw her on a dark night, alone among closed shops, under the eye of an enigmatic watcher.
Sarah heads back home. Panic sets in as she enters her kitchen, realizing that nothing is prepared for dinner and the fridge holds only scant supplies.
A ring shatters the silence of the night. A mystery guest stands outside.
Sarah cracks open the door, peering into the darkness. Well, who is waiting? There's nobody there, just a mysterious box waiting on her step. Inside the box, Sarah finds a note. Download Chef Chili. What's this all about?
Fingers trembling, Sarah opens the Chef Chili app and calls for help.
Don't panic. What do you have in your kitchen?
Sarah begins to search for any semblance of dinner ingredients. To her relief, she discovers a box of pasta tucked away in the armoire and a few tomatoes nestled in the fridge.
Yes! Sarah tells Chef Chili about her ingredients, pasta and tomatoes. Instantly, the app offers a comprehensive list of possibilities, accompanied by detailed information on calories, benefits, and more. She could finally sit down with her son.
Download Chef Chili.
Taste the mystery.